The first week of May 2025 is crucial for cryptocurrency markets. Macroeconomic announcements and technological upgrades could inject significant volatility. The Federal Open Market Committee meeting is a key driver. The Federal Reserve's interest rate decision impacts both traditional and crypto markets. The Pectra hard fork for Ethereum promises new scalability and efficiency. This upgrade is highly anticipated. The Sonic Summit 2025 will gather blockchain experts. Discussions on interoperability and zero-knowledge proofs will shape the industry's future. Investors must stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. All eyes will be on the Federal Reserve as it convenes for its FOMC meeting on date of FOMC meeting. The central bank is widely expected to announce another interest rate hike as it continues its battle against inflation. The market consensus is for a number basis point increase, but a larger or smaller move cannot be ruled out. A more hawkish Fed, committed to taming inflation even at the cost of slower economic growth, could spell trouble for risk assets like cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, a dovish pivot from the Fed, suggesting that it is willing to tolerate higher inflation to support economic growth, could be seen as a positive for crypto. Investors will be parsing the Fed's statement and Chair Powell's press conference for any hints about the future path of monetary policy. As the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin often acts as a bellwether for the broader crypto market. Its price movements can influence sentiment and drive trading activity across the entire asset class. Historically, Bitcoin has shown a mixed correlation with interest rates. In some periods, Bitcoin has rallied alongside rising rates, as investors viewed it as a hedge against inflation. However, there have also been times when Bitcoin has sold off sharply in response to tighter monetary policy. Technical factors could also come into play, with Bitcoin trading in a relatively tight range in recent weeks. Ultimately, the direction of Bitcoin's price movement in the coming weeks will depend on a complex interplay of factors, including the Fed's decision, investor sentiment, and technical developments. While the Fed's decision will be a major focus for crypto investors, the Ethereum community is focused on the Pectra hard fork. Scheduled for date, this upgrade promises to enhance Ethereum's capabilities. It's a major milestone, introducing improvements in scalability and transaction fees. Sharding will allow parallel transaction processing, increasing throughput. A smooth Pectra hard fork could drive new adoption and innovation. Section 5. EIPs, powering up Ethereum. The Pectra hard fork is not just a single upgrade but rather a collection of Ethereum improvement proposals, or EIPs, that have been bundled together. One notable EIP included in the Pectra upgrade is EIP 7702, introducing a new type of account abstraction for more flexible user interactions. Another important EIP is EIP 7251, focusing on improving the security of smart contracts by introducing a new mechanism for verifying their code. These EIPs represent steps forward for the Ethereum network, enhancing its functionality and performance. Together, they have the potential to significantly enhance Ethereum's capabilities and solidify its position as a leading platform for decentralized applications. Section 6. Scalability and efficiency gains. The Pectra hard fork is expected to deliver significant improvements in scalability and efficiency for the Ethereum network. With the implementation of sharding, Ethereum's transaction throughput is projected to increase dramatically, reducing congestion and lowering transaction fees. The transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism is also expected to bring about efficiency gains, making Ethereum more environmentally friendly and sustainable. These scalability and efficiency improvements are essential for Ethereum to achieve its full potential. A faster, cheaper, and more sustainable Ethereum network will be better positioned to support the development and adoption of decentralized applications across a wide range of industries. Section 7. Sonic Summit 2025, a Convergence of Minds. As the crypto world awaits the FOMC meeting and the Ethereum Pectra hard fork, another significant event is set to take place, the Sonic Summit 2025. This highly anticipated conference, scheduled for dates of Sonic Summit 2025, will bring together leading developers, entrepreneurs, investors, and policymakers from across the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. The Sonic Summit is renowned for its focus on cutting-edge technologies and its ability to attract some of the brightest minds in the industry. This year's event will cover a wide range of topics from decentralized finance or DeFi and non-fungible tokens or NFTs to the metaverse and Web3. The Sonic Summit is not just about listening to presentations, it also provides a valuable opportunity for networking and collaboration. Section 8, Interoperability and Zero-Knowledge Proofs take center stage. The Sonic Summit 2025 will highlight interoperability and zero-knowledge proofs. Interoperability enables different blockchains to communicate and transfer assets seamlessly. Zero-knowledge proofs allow proving possession of information without revealing it. Experts will discuss advancements and challenges in these technologies. These discussions could shape the future of the blockchain industry. Section 9, Economic Indicators and Regulatory Rumblings. While the FOMC meeting, the Ethereum Pectra hard fork, and the Sonic Summit 2025 are undoubtedly major events that will shape the crypto market in the coming week, investors should not overlook other factors that could also contribute to volatility. Economic data releases such as inflation figures, employment reports, and consumer confidence indexes can all impact investor sentiment and influence asset prices. Strong economic data could boost risk appetite and benefit cryptocurrencies, while weak data could lead to risk aversion and a sell-off in risk assets. Regulatory developments are another important factor to monitor, as any major announcements or policy changes could have a significant impact on the market. Beyond these macroeconomic and regulatory factors, sentiment within the crypto community itself can also play a role in driving market movements. Section 10. Staying ahead of the curve. The first week of May 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal one for the cryptocurrency markets. A confluence of events, from the FOMC meeting and the Ethereum Pectra hard fork to the Sonic Summit 2025, has the potential to inject significant volatility into the space. Investors and enthusiasts alike would be wise to stay informed and closely monitor these developments. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires vigilance, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. By closely monitoring key events and trends, investors can make more informed decisions and navigate the exciting, albeit volatile, world of cryptocurrencies.